We've just acquired this Porsche Boxster. It's the 3.4S. It is in stunning condition throughout. It's only had 2 owners from new. It's full Porsche Cardiff service history. Really doesn't get any better than this for its age or mileage. Quite a few factory options. It's got the upgraded sport alloy wheels, finished in, I would say, anthracite. Very nice condition indeed. It's got the rear park distance control. The Porsche carpet mats, boot area is in lovely condition. As you can see, all in beautiful condition throughout. Inside the car with the full leather seats. It's done 67,977 miles. Starts on the button. It's got climate control, satellite navigation, 6-speed box, adjustable suspension, electric convertible roof obviously. Memory function. It is really in lovely condition. I'll just fold the roof down for you. If you've got any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.